Welcome students, we are again together with the video that is word processor. What is word processor? First of all, before starting the chapter, we should be very clear with the concept what is word processor. Microsoft Word program in a very literal term is known as word processor. Means an environment where we can type any documents, edit them. That is environment is known as word processor. Okay. So the first thing before working is how you will open it. How you will open word processor. See, we know before opening any environment, the first thing which is very important is you should click on start button. That is the first step in opening any particular application. We have learned in previous section also that for opening any environment, the first thing is we have to click on start button, then on all apps and Microsoft Office 2013. Okay. This will help you to open the screen. Now second, as soon as you open the screen, this type of environment appears before you. This is the environment that will appear before you. You see here it is written components of Word 2013. Means what are the different components. This screen contains many options. So we will discuss about these options in detail. Now first is title bar. You see the first line. This first line where document 1 is written, this is the title bar. Title bar means which contains the name of the document, that is the title bar. Title bar contains the name of the document. Okay. Second after title bar is quick access toolbar. That is quick access toolbar. You see here it is just present below the title bar. Okay. It is just, you see here on the side corner of the title bar, quick access toolbar is there, and it contains different options which helps to perform task very easily and fastly. Means it contains the common option. We know while working you will need save option, you will need refresh option. The most common options are present on the quick access toolbar. Then is the file tab. File tab is what? It is the, you can see here just below title bar there is a file tab. You see what are the different options of file tab? File, then home, then insert, then design, page layout, so on. So these are the different options present in the file tab. And this, what is the use of file tab? It helps us to check the backstage view. Means backstage view means what are the different, all the options are present in any one of these headings. Okay. In any one of these files, all the content of the word processing is present here. After that is the ribbon. After that is ribbon. You can see here ribbon. Ribbon. What is ribbon? This option in MS Word helps us to find commands quickly. Very quickly you can find commands to work on it with the help of ribbon command. With the help of ribbon command. Then comes the document area. Document area is what? The white area where you type something is called the document area. Where you type something is called the document area. Scroll bar, we all know there is a scroll bar on a mouse which is used to move the pointer up and down. Similarly here scroll bar, there are two types of scroll bar, vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal, and this is used to move the page up and down, left or right. Up and down and left or right means it is used to navigate between the documents. Okay. After the scroll bar there is a status bar. Status bar, it is present at the bottom of the window. See, it is present in the bottom of the window. This blue line is the status bar and it is used to display the information regarding that particular page, such as page number and number of words you have worked on. That is status bar. So this is the whole environment. What are the main components? Title bar, quick access toolbar, file tab, ribbon, document area, status bar and scroll bar. These are the different components of Word 2013. Now second topic is opening a new document. How you will open a new document? So to open a new document we will first click on file. We will first click on, see it is given here, file tab. Then a new option will appear. See, such type of box will appear before you. And blank document option is there. You will click on it and click on create button and the new page will be added. So new page will be opened. Now inserting text. What do you mean by inserting? Adding something in between. After writing a text, if you want to insert something, that is called inserting text. Suppose that this text is written here you have to move the cursor. You have to move the cursor where you want to type, and then you will write there. You will write there. This is called inserting text. Suppose that if you want to write something between is and a, you will have to just bring the mouse pointer here, give one click, and the cursor will be here, and you can go on writing. So you just need to navigate with the mouse to insert some text. Now see here, one thing more. Keyboard shortcut Control N and Control O, that is to open. Control N means new, that is used to create a document, and Control O opening and existing document. So you should go through it very properly. Now selecting a text. Selecting means if you want to do some edit work on a text, first you need to select it. So how you will select? There are many different options of selecting text. See here, Control A, you can see here, select the, you can just press Control and A from the keyboard and it will select the entire document. Control plus click, select a text line. Triple click, select a paragraph. Shift plus end, select a line till end. This topic is very important, students. Just learn it by heart. It will help you while working on a Word environment. Okay, these options are very important. You have to go through it, learn it properly. It will help you to work in MS Word. Okay, now deleting a text. Suppose that after writing you find something that should not be there, so you will need to delete it. How you will delete? See, to delete a letter, how you will delete? Place the cursor to the left of the letter and press delete key. Press the cursor means mouse cursor in the left and you delete it. Delete a word, you can select the word and then press delete key. And to select a paragraph or a sentence, select a paragraph and sentence and delete, press delete key. Okay. Now next option is saving a document. When you type something, you have done some work in Word, you have to save it. How you will save the document? You can see here, for saving the document, again you will first click on file and then save, or Control S. You see one more keyboard shortcut there, Control S to save. So go through it. And then file, type the name of the file. So I have told you in title bar, the name of the file is shown. You just write something, document 1 is written, you can write your name or something, whatever you want. And then click on save button, the file will be saved. The file will be saved. After that, closing, that is saving. After saving, suppose that you want to exit, how you will exit? Again, file and close. File and close. Go to file, there you will find close option and you will close. See here, we are just discussing all the different options present in file tab, that is most commonly used. Open, close, save, these are the options present in file tab. Okay, so to do all this, first step will be you have to go through file option tab. Okay, now then open and already saved document. How you will open? Again here see file and then you will click on open. Open, as soon as you will click on open option, you see, you will find, click the computer in the center pane. You see here, computer option is there and browser button will be there. From the given files list, here file list will come. You will have to select the file. Document, you have saved your file with document in one name. So you will click over it and finally click on open button. You see open button is here. You will click on it and the document will be opened. Now next is how you will print. See, print means after doing a work, if you want to print, the print option is also there in file tab. You see here again file, then print option, file and print. So when you will click on print, this dialog box will be there. You see here different options, number of copies, how many copies you want, in which format you want the print. It is could be, see, this is printer type, you will have to select. Then landscape, or landscape is one of the printing option. Okay, you will have to select from here. See here option is there, printing properties and the setting print in numbers of page, how many numbers of sheet you want, printing orientation is here, you have to select it and then finally you will click on print button. Okay, then exiting. Now again the next is, after printing a document, the next option is exiting, means how you will exit, how you will come out of that environment from MS Word. Again you see, to exit we have to click on file and then exit button, file and exit option, or you can press the close button. Okay, so you can come out of the environment. Students, in this chapter we have learned about all the different common options that are present in file environment. Okay, different common options that are present in file environment. You go through the video, but still you will have to go through the chapters, learn all the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, thank you.